What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Hello. Y'all see by the thumbnail, y'all probably like, man, what the hell Jay got going on today, man? Yeah, man, I'm picking up a new ride. But it's just for content. I'm not finna do no hot rod stuff with it and stuff. I mean, it's gonna be some different type of content, man. That's all I'm saying. It's gonna be a different type of content, collaborating with some of my people, with wifey and all that. I got some ideas. Just know, I'm finna have some fun with this thing now. I'm gonna have some fun with it, but there's gonna be some fun content and everything coming to the channel. Then after that, I'm gonna tell you, it's gonna end up in car heaven. I'm gonna tell y'all that off top. It's gonna end up in car heaven, but y'all gonna get some real good entertaining content and across all my social media platforms stuff. So it's a busy day. I'm about to go to the bank, go get the money out for it. Then I'm gonna load, I'm gonna gas up, go ahead and hook the trailer up and everything. Then we gotta take that ride up here about like an hour and a half away. Go grab it. And then we're gonna get it back to the house and check it out. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Alright, y'all, we checking in, man. Got the trailer all hooked up, ready to roll. Finna go gas up, get the money, and then get down there and get back. Got my schedule freed up, man, cause at first I wasn't gonna be able to go get it. I'm gonna have to get somebody else to do it, but kids here early, so that kind of put me in the game. So now we finna head out. I'm probably gonna turn y'all back on when we get it loaded up and stuff. So y'all stay tuned. Y'all, we checking in from the phone, man. Pack has been acquired. I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna check it out, get back. That's why I'm rolling, man, trying to get back before we get dark, which we should make it. I'm tell y'all, look, this little lady right here, out of every car I done bought, she more excited about this little egg cause this her childhood car.
Yeah, we used to ride.
This her childhood car.
We used to ride in it.
It ain't pretty.
Y'all hear Sarah back there? This a little egg.
Yeah.
She like this little car.
That's vehicles that's really made though.
She excited. Out of every car I done bought, she more excited about this.
I've been excited about all of them.
But this car going to car heavy.
I'm ready for this thing to go, though.
You what?
I'm ready for this to go.
Isn't that them, man? But anyway, y'all, we gonna check back in, cause this traffic is crazy and these folk driving crazy. So I got to focus. So I'm turning y'all back on. Get to the. All right, y'all, look, here it is. This little egg, but it's festival, man. Got an old festival, but it's a funny jump. This little egg right here, boy. Oh yeah, man, I'm gonna have some fun with this. I'm gonna have some fun with this, boy. It's like a Steve Urkel car. Look at it. I'm finna get this nag out the trailer, though. I'm finna get this nag out the trailer, man. Look at this, boy. Hey. Ooh. This junk here funny, man. This car so small, man, and light. It didn't even feel like it was on the trailer. But let me get this joker unloaded, man. All right, look, BCG fam. Look, man, this is a pro mod right here, man. This is a pro mod. I'm finna move the thing out right here so y'all get a thumbnail. It actually run. It run good, but it's going to car heaven though.
No.
It's going to car heaven. Wife couldn't even move. She done lost her mojo.
No.
She couldn't remember. She like, I think I got it.
It had been a long time since I drove. Drove one.
I told you guys let this thing eat.
I think part of that is good.
Not bad. Say, get back over here. Get over here. I'm going to move the car. And you like, I don't care if I did. See, mommy, Shell. Look at your cute little.
Stop.
Look at those fat little jaws. Mommy, stop. Look, she's kind of.
All right, this the. If you can turn around right here, but I'm gonna tell you go down the driveway. Wife fit turn around. This car is so small, man. This car is so tiny, man. I don't know if y'all understand how small this is. It's a 1993 Ford Festiva.
You gonna dent the hood. It's a car.
Yeah, man, this a demolition car. She talking about denting the hood. This a demolition derby car. Y'all stay over there. This a demolition derby car. We finna use this thing for workouts, demolition. Y'all gonna see all type of stuff. I promise you, this joker too small. It's like a Steve Urkel car. It's just funny. Look, wifey right at home, boy. Look at her. Look at her, boy. She right at home. She thinks she clean. Look at her. Nothing. Nothing. Hey, wait. She gonna blow it up. She finna blow it up. I told you, man, easy if you just go down the road and turn around.
I know. I just want to get stuck.
You finna do all that maneuvering. She said she don't want to get stuck. Let's see if she remember how to drive a stick shift. I tried to spin the tire for y'all, man. This over here ain't got no power. It ain't got no power. Hey, don't go in the grass. I go in the road and turn around. This joker might not come out the yard.
You don't think so? That's why I was kind of nervous about going in the yard.
The road, you gonna come out the road. You gonna come out the road, not the yard though. Look, she trying to go in the yard. I'm gonna have to take over what I did. I told you what I did. I'm gonna have to take over. I'm gonna have to take over. Put in reverse. Put in reverse. She the stick shift driver, not me. I don't like stick shift really. Look.
He needs
I'm
some
gonna have to
milk.
get it, man. What's up, man? Pull the emergency brake up. Pull the emergency brake up. I told y'all I'm gonna have to get this thing.
Break on.
Watch out. You ain't finna move it. I'm finna have to move it in there, y'all. Put it in neutral. No, you ain't gotta cut it off. No. Put the emergency brake can't be up.
It's up. See?
No, it ain't. The car will not
I
move.
promise you, it's
It
up.
went all the way up. Come on, y'all. Let me get her out.
I'm telling you, it's up.
Let me get her out, man. Come on.
It is, it's up.
Good and great. Now I got it. Now you don't put me in the trouble. How you get this car out, man? This car ain't got no power.
But see, that's why I said, just keep it if you got a clutch. It'll fix out. It'll kind of, that's why it's not really.
I told you, she done messed up. She done messed up.
Yeah, he just trying to figure it out. That's not me. Told you. Go.
Y'all can see this thing hit the tree. Ain't got no power.
Stop, Tane. Yeah, what y'all think? We need to keep this car. I think we should keep it.
Yeah, we should keep it.
Yeah. Great gas saver. I think it'll probably take, like, if I'm correct, probably what, 20? So down 20. Not about 25, no more than 30 to fill it up.
He's riding in the egg. He's riding in the egg.
Not egg.
He's riding in the egg. He's riding in the neighbor's egg.
Teeny.
He's riding in a watermelon. He's riding in a watermelon. He's right in mommy's face.
I tried to grab a second for y'all.
Hold on, let me focus it, huh?
I tried to grab a second for y'all.
Yeah, I figured. That's why I said that clutch will fix it. I'm telling you.
Hey, Daddy.
We ain't put no clutch in here. Let me see if I can catch
Back. Share. Stop.
See if I can catch a tie for y'all real quick. Oh, we're in the burnout box. Gotta send that gas through there.
Dad should keep that. He enjoying that little ride.
Yeah, man.
He should
So,
keep
y'all
it.
listen. It's awesome.
He should keep it.
It's really a good car, though.
Daddy should
You want
keep
in burnout?
Of course.
You should keep this car right here.
Who?
You. Mommy,
Hmm.
you want to?
Keep the car.
I want to go down the street in it.
Yeah. I'll try that.
Family drive.
Yes.
All right, y'all. So we're going to ride together
Come on.
in the
Better
car.
not be a bad drive.
All right, y'all. So we just got finished with a little drive in the Pro Mart, man. But look, let me get wifey the key. But look how small the key is. The key is tiny. You barely see the key in the switch.
Yes.
And it disappears. And you so happy.
So we used to ride, man. We had like, what, 6 people? What I say, 6 people was riding that car all the way
See?
to Tennessee somewhere in North
See?
Carolina where we rode.
This they childhood car. This they used to ride in. This right here. This little egg right here what they used to ride in. It's so tiny, man. Like
It's small.
it truly tiny, man. Like it funny. But we drove it. The kids like, get me out of here. Can I walk home? So hey, I bought it strictly for content though. I bought it strictly for content, man. Ford Festiva, 1993 Ford Festiva. 4-cylinder. GOPRO got 50 horsepower. That's a funny jump, man. But it actually for what it is, it's actually in good shape. But you can tell he ain't drove it or whatever, cause the dirt plastered up on here done kind of encrusted on the window and stuff. The clutch is definitely gone. It's clutch smell like it's on fire. And I ain't putting no clutch in it. Engine run good though. But they're gonna be Demolition Derby car. See, he already wrote this on it. They're gonna be a Demolition Derby car, man. I'm gonna do something. You ain't no telling what I'm gonna do with this car. Y'all gonna see all type of stuff happen with this car. Cause I always wanted to get something like this, small. You don't mind if it get dented up, beat up, and all of that, man. I'm telling you, this the Pro Mart. This right here about to be the Pro Mart, man. I've got me one. I'll probably keep it on the channel, make video with it about 2 months. Then it go in the car heavy. Called the grand finale. Some of y'all probably already know what I'm gonna do for the grand finale. We going out in the country. That's all I'm gonna say. Going out in the country with it. But yeah, man, that was the pickup for today. New car, added to the collection. The temporary collection. So now I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 of them. Man, but yeah, Ford Festiva. Let me show y'all this joker. It actually, the interior in it clean. That's a funny jump. The interior in it pretty clean. I said, for it to be what it is, it's alright. It's alright, man. It's fun. I ain't drove no stick shit in so long, man. Got how much fun it is driving them. But I just don't like driving them, cause all the work you have to do, bang gear, press the clutch, change it. I tried to snatch up the driveway. This joker won't do nothing, man. I pulled second, I said nothing. Felt like we was sitting still, boy. But yeah, we're gonna have fun with this. We're gonna have fun with this. End of the day, do y'all total little walk around. Look how small it is, man. It's so tiny, man. This junk here is so tiny. I'm talking about it's like a Steve Urkel car. I'm gonna have to measure this car. I'm gonna have to measure this car tomorrow, man. I wanna see how long it is. The total length of this car, cause this car here is so small it ain't even funny. But we definitely gonna have some fun with it, man. I got some video planned for it. Wifey got some video planned for it. Everything. What it is? I don't know. Got bumper stickers on here. Look at that. Magnets, I meant. This some funny junk. This some funny junk, man. Look at this. You look. Yeah, you definitely have people looking at this. This right here is some funny junk. But we're gonna have to change that mood, man. I'm gonna have to spray paint BCG on the side of it. Cause I did the BCG mobile. We're gonna put it on the other door probably. We're gonna put BCG, man. This brown coat game pro mod. Oh, junk. This junk here funny. I got one. I made a post looking for one. I'm gonna tell y'all how I got this thing. I made a post looking for one, right? And on Facebook, everybody kept sending me the same ad, man, on Marketplace. I had seen it. They kept sending me the same ad. I had seen it already. So I had messaged that guy, and when I messaged him, it popped up and said Illinois. I thought he called in Georgia. So I had told the guy, never mind, cause I said, I see you in Illinois. I was gonna buy those and that. He messaged me back, told me he was in Georgia. I said, oh, it's a wrap. I want it tomorrow. And here we are, came through. Made a post one day. I saw it on Marketplace. Messaged him. Got it the next day. So that was funny. I thought it was in Illinois, man. But I had been looking for one of these. Y'all just didn't know it. I ain't say nothing. I was looking for one 2 months ago. And I had found one because they actually hard to find. But they rare. I mean, you don't see them running around like that. A lot of people don't even know what this is. Never even heard of it. But I found one. And man, when I was gonna go get it, it got gone just like that. Cause I wasn't finna pay an arm and leg for it. I ain't. But then when I got this one, I saw this one. I said, I'm finna go and get it. I ain't waiting on it. But yeah, like I said, it's a smooth little running piece. It's just funny. Radio work in it. The AC work, but it don't blow snowballs and stuff. But it's just funny, man. It's so small and tiny. Look at it. Little egg, boy, the BCG mobile. But yeah, man. We'll have some fun with this. This the new pickup, man. This the new pickup. I bet when y'all clicked on this, y'all probably said Jay gonna stick a V8 in it. I ain't sticking no V8 in there. Now if it were rear wheel drive, I would have tried to do it. I ain't gonna tell y'all no lie. I would have tried it. Cause it would have been interesting. If it was a rear wheel drive car, I would try to stick a V8 in that nab. But it's front wheel drive. And in order to V8 swap this, you have to put it on a frame. Find a frame that'll fit on. I ain't doing all that. I'm gonna have some fun with this. Let my people have some fun, collab with folk with it. And shoot, man. It's gonna serve its purpose. That's all I can say. So yeah, they're gonna wrap it up, y'all. I'm tired from this long little drive, but I appreciate y'all. I'm gonna catch y'all later. BCG. We out.